Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Kriu 8 football jang gejala hading jengkot no jang Duran Cup ke penlong hapo gejala Meghalaya menta ke kinti ki Paidbah kin sayo ban sakhi biang saya kuwe ke jingala kai football bakata ke dei ke I League ke ban sedang hak arpo Tarik ban tau benai nai wing habe keran bekelat patai ku bor ba se bor sana beri undang ai ketin jang Shillong Lajong football club uliat thu ba ke Lajong kan kendu ningkong bat ke Churchill brother hak arpo Tarik ban tau benai hak por nyo bejajan miet hamara nyelek ka jang Shillong Sport Association Polo. Halor kini ubak sebor ningkong ulai kublai yaki Paidbah ki belakar shanting yaka klub haki por beladam bat ke klub ke kemi lentiru kumju bagi Paidbah kin wan belakar shanting biang sashi sen yaka klub. Ubak sebor la pentip ru bayaki tiket on sedang mandi nak la syai ke sengi kata naduk kal pulai Tarik mentau benai nai wing haki lightly ke jaka halai umkra hakandai lat bat ru hamaran Shillong Sport Association Polo.
Let's say kumpulan pemenang duka tayo berada bagai sedang kami benai pemerintah. Kan sedang dulu masyai kesini, kagem kepada kongnya kepada penyelek, bat ngingin dia pilih kai haka nika season dia kepada mana, hapeng ka Churchill Brothers, bat kajian kai kalau kapor nyewa jajan mit. Hang tay hapo Shillong Sport Association Stadium. Tengah sobat berpau bajing ai kulai yaki Paidbah kiba juga syam yaka kelok bojongi. Nagawe ka or sipat bat hadu ka klimat ka hadu cong ka tuka jilakai ka beladep ton beladep kalong sya gajing ai musim yaka kelok maro kowe. Te hagani klimat ru hagani kinti ka mentaru isno ban kami lenti ke juga jingkersan lagi Paidbah. Kami tambah ke game dengan kong ke bagi awak jelek ketika season day ke ban kendu ya kawe ni klub ka rim ha po kenika ri ke jongi ka bangolong ya ka Churchill Brothers. Ti ha kenika jelek kai kandon ka jindi tiket ha baro jelek kai. Dakawa ngin sedang bandi tiket nado la syai kesingi maka cakap bandi tiket kan long hantai ha po prisujar po electronic center nanta kandon jindi tiket ro la infra ha po Shillong Cafe bat kumju ha po SSA Stadium Hontai Polo te kemo ye pi baga jindi tiket kan long nado la syai kesingi ka tiket ka ba taddu ka ba ka klub ka di kalai kadai hispa sanho bat ke ba khamrem do kata kalau ka BBIP kagador sanspa ka kita gilong ki bangilaban Paidbah kilaban yo tiket haga jinge dei begini ka game ka bangsa yo haga ne ka singsali ka wanwan kesa sisin pat nagileng ka klub ni da kermen scam bagi Paidbah kinam kerandin dalam plan jom itu kibangila permalan kibla thi itu ki kad kiba kilalong si benta gajing ai mesin ini daga ba hawagi permalan kile sim ni ka ban long si benta ke nomor juga kalau kejongi dengan scam ba kani ga wei syo kala kalau gajing mesin ini bagi Paidbah baro nasi kibangio ban thi dengan ka kad no kharje dei ba gajing sim benta kumban join ke family kejongi kitu ibu biyo ro mina kerpan iki begini ban ban sakhi je kai betanat hagalika tayo kabamentahi kabalong hagasni sande kata kalong gajing permanan lagi ka kalau bojongi.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm very happy with all of them. I'm really surprised with the level of the local players. Obviously I knew few of them And after the Durand Cup performance, I had a very good impression of them. But what I saw in these 2 months is very, very good, and made me feel very, very optimistic for this league. What I asked to the club after the Durand Cup, and knowing the big gap we had from the last match of the Durand Cup till the first match of the league, what I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week, and the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time, so we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against the strong teams, the strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams, that made us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before. I think you know what I'm talking about. The best target is the best target, is to be on top. The top target. Why not? It's not possible. It's not allowed. Is there any rule in India or in Meghalaya or I find that they don't allow us to be on the top? Why not? Why I'm not going to be ambitious? We are not mediocre people. We are very ambitious people. We are very hungry people. So we're going to do our best and to be on the top. We can. The talent is here. The sacrifice is here. The passion is here. The great effort is here. So why we are not going to expect for the best? We will try every day. Against Churchill, about Churchill, we haven't any information about them right now. New coach, new squad. Sadly, we couldn't obtain information from the practice matches. They didn't play any tournament where people get that information. So what we had to do and what we're going to do is to face everything on our squad. That is the point we can handle. We can prepare, and what we're doing is to carry on with our preparation, with our plan, in order to get better every day and to perform as we expect with the highest level, and the same for the league, for the full season. What we're going to do is to carry on as we did from the first day I came here. We started in the Durand Cup with a plan. The plan is ongoing, and what we're going to try is to win our matches. Obviously, we are going to go out every match with the idea of winning. Is it possible? Hopefully, yes. It will be complicated, very complicated. It will be very hard. But the players are very hungry. They know this is a very good platform this year for the club, for the players, for the staff, for the management, and we're going to take advantage of this situation we have now, and we will do our best. And what I want to transmit right now, from this moment onwards, to all the supporters, to all the faithfuls, that we are going to give everything to the faithfuls, to Shillong, to Meghalaya, to become this in a milestone. And that is what we've got in front of us.
Kalau orang nado wastangi, kecil-kecil cengi, nado nila pikir mentala dan arunai. Te borohi players kilai tristom, te borohi players kia dan kawai kecil terang, kawai kecil mud, bamentang senem, ingin jelek kai pha, bangin yo apan rai kini ka ailik kini senem mentah. Try mentang senem te ban compare bagi senem mentah ka senem lang borohi players kia fit. Nama Lasia pun players nadu wastang kidon ki pampat fit yai ngri mentapat baro ki long fit te plus ki foreigner baro ki tristom te ka chingwan chungki ka chinggirap chungki long mentaus nem ru ngatrai ni laban poi bich khong
ngai creative press ki badan menta ban ni hanek port te mengi kum ki players kum club nadu ki management ki coaching staff ki players ni la long di balapan krek akan nega ailik bat dakan jing tristom jong ilang barok akan bangin yo job bat kumba kajing kersan ngakemen bagi Paidbah nuan kersan yani kumba ki wan kersan hak ni di game baladep pertama kadran kop bat nega ailik ru baladep akan bagi nuan kersan dengan ini kunjo bat ngakemen kumba kajing kersan jongti inyo ailik jing job hot kan long ke game gawai ini bat kan de ru ka fast game bat kan long kebakam kalau tungsan ha bangin job kenang ba in your mesin ngi game banang sekmat.
So yeah, recently there was some news floating around about issues between the AFF and the ID clubs, but in the last few days, developments have been very positive. So we are hoping that all issues are resolved, by before the first match of the I-League, which will start tomorrow, and hopefully, we get an announcement by the I-League of a broadcast. So I think you can see from last season the broadcast was very minimal compared to previous seasons, and that's why all the I-League clubs came together, after Durand Cup in the month of September. And we have come together with one united front, a genuine request by early clubs that at least the broadcast of the I-League has to be taken very seriously, because it also affects, the visibility of the league. It affects, the sponsorship generation of each and every club. So it's important for the sustainability of the clubs also. So, and that's why we're happy in the last 2 months, whatever communications we've had with the All India Football Federation. So we will see, the positive developments now in the next, few days, like I mentioned.